So what's up YouTube, welcome to my channel and welcome to another vlog. And this vlog I'm shooting on the Redmi k50i. So this is a new phone in my arsenal, and I've picked it up from the big billion sale, and I got this roughly around for 20,000 with an exchange. And for that price you get a very good phone which has very good processor, which is the Dimensity 8000 series processor. And this one can export or edit a video which is almost around 10 minutes and a 4K video with ease. So that is something, the main reason why I've picked it. And also the image clarity of this phone and also the features that it has is one of the best in the 20,000 mark or 20 to 25,000 mark. So the camera samples, the vlog samples, everything that I'm going to test in this video to mainly show that whether this is vlog capable. And I'm doing this by putting a wireless mic over here. That also is also that I'm testing, so that we don't have any video distortion. And if the camera is a little far off, you don't get disconnect on the video. So that also on the audio. So that also I'm going to test. So let me check out all these features and stay tuned till the end of the video. So this camera has the rock steady mode or stabilization mode also built in, which is EIS, not OIS. So with that is, I think, a slight compromise, but still that is there. And as you can see, I'm shooting it from the rear camera, main camera, and the image stabilization seems to be pretty good. And this one is shooting at 1080p. It can also shoot in 4K, and it also has 1080p 60. Now it is at 1080p 30, and it also has 720p. So if you have to say, the stabilization could also be given for the 4K recording as well, but it is not there for the rear camera. And also for the front camera, there's no stabilization, which could have been added because phones which are priced slightly lesser than this, like the Redmi Speed Edition, so that has even the front image stabilization, so which is good sometimes when you're doing vlogging. The Redmi k50i is really a capable phone, and if your price range is between 20 to 25,000, I think there is no other phone in that price range which offers this performance and with this camera features. So from the camera features point of view, it has the software. In fact, the Xiaomi software has the vlog it option into it, where you can do small reels, and it automatically stitches all the reels with and adds the transition. So that is nice. It also comes with the stabilizations for built into it, which is at 1080p. Sadly, we don't have the stabilization for the front facing camera, but overall the phone camera is pretty good. I think it checks all the right boxes for a vlogger. It shoots in 4K, which is also nice. It also has the option for slow motion, time lapse, and all those things that you have seen. The image or the photo clarity is also very nice. It has the portrait photos as well. It also has this clone feature, which is also built into it, so which is also nice. And it also has, I think, a very capable processor which can edit all these things in 4K and does it with ease. So that is also very good. So the phone is roughly around 34 or 35,000 for the top end 256 8GB variant, and this one in the sale it dropped down to around 27,000, and with bank offers and exchange I got it for around 19,000, which is a very good deal. And the benchmarks, the Antutu benchmark that this phone compares with is for the Snapdragon 888 series processors, and the Antutu score is roughly around 7,50,000, so which is really good. And for under 20,000 with the exchange, you're getting a very powerful phone. So I think that was one of my main requirements, to edit videos and also to ensure that 4K videos are rendered properly. So that was one of my requirement, and this phone checks all the right boxes. And also from vlogging point of view, the image clarity is really good. For YouTube videos, it is, it's pretty good. It also has all the stabilization features built into it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do so, please like and subscribe to my channel.